Guys, welcome to today's lesson. We're going to do something a little bit differently today. Instead of me giving you something new to work on, I'm giving you a list of assignments that we've done since April 12th. Today's assignment is asking you to go ahead and check to make sure that you have done all of these. So if you are finished with an assignment, go ahead and write the word done next to the assignment that you've finished. That way you can see what you have left to do. That's it. That's all I'm asking you to do today. I want you to take today as an opportunity to kind of get caught up on social studies work. When you are finished with that, or before you start that, I have a little survey I want you to do. This survey is asking what I've done well. It's asking what you have liked in my class. It's asking what you have not liked in my class. And I'm asking you to rate me honestly here. I want to make sure that I'm doing this right. I want to make sure that I'm not overwhelming you guys. And ultimately, I want to make sure that I can do this better going forward. If you have any questions for me today, you know how to reach me, jvns@wcpss.net. I am available for office hours. Just check the website for that. And if you don't have any questions, I will see you guys later.